If you're designing the transition logic, then you know the purpose of what transition logic is used for. You can have multiple graphics on the screen at the same time, and what's more, you can transition between these graphics rather than having them go off the screen and come on the screen again. And there's a few important concepts within transition logic that you'll need to know. First is background scene or master scene, and this is where the toggle plugin will go. And this is where we design all of our graphics, and it actually holds the logic. The other concept is what's called the call-up scene, and this is the actual scene that we'll import into Trio. It contains a control object, and it tells us which layer we're relating to in the background scene. So if you see within our My Server here, in our transition logic folder, it's best to keep everything within one folder. We have our master or background scene, which is called Mast1, signified by this black scene here. And then we have our call-up scenes, symbolized by these red graphics here. So these red thumbnails is what we'll actually import into Trio, but we'll never import the master scene into Trio. These call-up scenes within Trio are actually going to relate back to this master scene.